This is an Honor Magic6 Pro. It keeps flickering. The display is badly damaged. Today, we're replacing the screen. Now use the PolarTech Magic Self-Heating Pad to heat the back cover for about 10 minutes. The heating is done. Use a thin metal blade to create a small gap. Add some isopropyl alcohol. This helps loosen the adhesive. Now insert a plastic pick. Slide it around the edges. The back cover is made of glass. Don't use too much force. Be extra careful around the camera module. Perfect. The back cover comes off nicely. I really like the design of this back panel. Now let's remove the motherboard cover. There are 15 screws here. 5 of them are longer. Lift the motherboard cover from this side. Before doing anything else, disconnect the battery first. Now disconnect the remaining flex cables. To keep the lenses clean, remove all the cameras. This part takes a little patience. The earpiece is attached to the display, so the motherboard also needs to come out. Don't forget this screw here. Also disconnect the coaxial cable. Great! The motherboard is out. Next, let's remove the battery. The display flex cable is underneath it. So we need to remove the battery first. Heat the battery for a while. This softens the battery adhesive. Now pull the adhesive tabs. The battery comes out very easily. Here's the display flex cable. Now it's time to remove the display. Just like before, heat the screen for about 10 minutes. Use a thin metal blade to create a gap. Add some isopropyl alcohol. This helps loosen the adhesive. Now slide in a plastic pick. Cut through the adhesive around the display. The display is already damaged, so you don't need to worry about saving it. Just be careful with your fingers. Broken glass can be very sharp. Perfect. The old display is now removed. Now clean the frame thoroughly. Remove all the old adhesive. Remove every piece of broken glass. Take your time with this step. The frame must be completely clean. Any leftover debris can affect the fit. It could even damage the new display. Now reinstall the motherboard. This holds the earpiece assembly in place. We've already tested the replacement display, so we're ready to install it. Apply the display adhesive. Then add a thin bead of B7000. Apply it around the edges. Remove all the protective films. Don't forget the fingerprint area. Remove that protective film as well. Now wipe away any excess adhesive. Keep the frame nice and clean. Now reconnect the display flex cable. Make sure the connector is fully seated. Now reinstall the battery. We'll speed up this part. Now reinstall the rear cameras. Place each camera back in its original position. Reconnect all the remaining flex cables. Check that every connector is fully seated. Now reinstall the motherboard cover. Be careful with the 5 long screws. Now reinstall all the screws. They must go back into the correct holes. Installing them in the wrong place could damage the new display. Everything is back together. Now protect the camera lenses. Let's power on the phone. Time to test the new display. Touch response is working properly. The colors look perfect. The screen looks great. Everything is working as expected. It's time to seal the back cover. Apply the new back cover adhesive. Add a little B7000 where needed. This provides extra holding strength. Now align the back cover. Press it down evenly. Almost finished. We hope this video helped you. Subscribe for more repair videos. Don't forget to turn on notifications. We'll see you in the next video.